Boy, if you don't get your squiggly diggly.
What? Roblox is down? This only means one thing.
2,000 years later.
Alright, so this is a brand new Minecraft world. As you saw, I've just loaded in. It is a bit laggy, sorry about that. But yeah, so this is a brand new Minecraft world. I have not played Minecraft in a few months, legitimately, like actually trying to beat the Ender Dragon. Most of the time I just play for fun. And yeah, at everything. And let's just explore for now. Okay, it's kind of laggy. Oh, why don't you look at this? It's water. Why don't you look at this? Water. Alright, so after many days of searching for a village, I have finally come across one, and why don't you look at that? Dirt or junk in the ocean. And that is a smooth way to get right in today's video. Alright, so today, this video is not just a normal video. Today, I will be supporting Team Seas, which is a fundraiser where Mark Rober, Mr. Beast, and a lot of other YouTubers put together to clean up 30 million pounds of trash, plastic, all that out of the ocean. 30 million pounds is a lot by the end of this year. So I really wish them good luck, and I hope all of you can support this, possibly donate. Even just $1 will bring out 1 pound of plastic out of the ocean, and that's enough. Like, you don't have to go all out. Like, if you want to, go ahead. It will help the ocean, help our planet in general. So I highly support this, and go ahead. I will put a video up on screen right now just explaining more into it. All the information is down in the description. So yep, let's cut to the video.
Single dollar we raise, there will be 1 less pound of plastic and trash in the ocean, and that's just bonkers.
That literally means that for every $1 donated, this much trash comes out of the ocean. And for $5, this much trash comes out of the ocean.
And we're gonna pull this off by not just tackling trash in the ocean, but cutting off the trash sources at the rivers and beaches too. So half the money we raise will go to Boyan's charity, the Ocean Cleanup, so they can just make a butt ton more of these trash-eating robots, and then they'll place them in that 1% of rivers that are the worst offenders by far. And then the other half of the money will go to Ocean Conservancy, and they'll focus on the beaches with tons of volunteer beach cleanups, and then of course actually going out to sea and cleaning up a bunch of trash there as well.